Okay, Dr. Mitters here. Today, right now, we're going to talk about some troubleshooting. Okay, let's say I've got a JavaScript program here and I intentionally put some boo-boos or errors in it. So let's go ahead and try to run it. So I'm going to open with Chrome, and this is just how to guide you towards finding your problem. I may not be correcting them all right here, but I'm just going to find them, how you can maybe find an error. Well, it runs a certain amount. It runs 3 or 4 statements, but it doesn't completely run everything. All right. How that should work, if I were to run it, would look something like this. Well, okay, as you can see, that one's working. But if I go to one that may not be working, what's going to happen? Okay, Dr. Mitters here. Let's talk about something important. Not a lab project per se, but errors. Okay, let's run a program here. I'm going to open it in Chrome that I have, and it runs. You clearly see some output. It's a modification of one of the account classes in Chapter 3. All right, so it works. It gives me some output. Let's take one as an example which has some errors in it. I call them boo-boos. I did this intentionally so you can see how to go about troubleshooting. So I'm going to open with Chrome, and you notice that you didn't get the same, this other result. It kind of stopped right here. It didn't give you the complete result. So this one's got a problem. All right, so how can we troubleshoot this? You're going to find the F12 key on your keyboard in Chrome, press F12, and it will pop up a little debug developer tools, elements, console, different tabs. If you go to the console tab, it kind of points you to the error. All right, it says that's the error message. Sometimes the error messages are easy to figure out, sometimes they're not. But if you click on this little link, that's the actual blah 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 blah. That's the name of it. The %20s mean spaces. That's how it translates to HTML. The colon 24 is the line number. I got a line number on 24 and 74. So I'm going to go to the first one, and it says 24. You got an error in there. It looks like I am missing something. I'll let you kind of look at it. There's a left curly brace, and right around line 24. Unexpected token. It looks like I may have too many of those, but that's where I'm not going to troubleshoot it for you. I'm just pointing you to that's where the line number is, that it sees an error. You need to look here and above it. Usually it's there and above. Let's look at line 74. Line 74 says account is not defined. So on 74, ACCOUNT. So account would be defined. It should be defined earlier. And if it's not, then you're going to run into a problem. This is not, I'm just trying to demonstrate how to go find the errors. This example we're not going to go fix. But what you do is you press F12 when it doesn't run, and you click on the link, and you start looking here at that line number on above. Okay? Hope that helps a little bit. By the way, if you run something with HTML code, you got a bug in the HTML code, you can also right-click and view source. If it doesn't run at all, it usually means you get no output. It usually means you have a typo or something in the HTML code. All right, have a good day. All about troubleshooting.